Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about the quantity calculation of cement concrete work in foundation for a single room building using long wall and short wall method. And today we are going to calculate the quantity of brickwork in foundation as well as in superstructure for the same building. So first we will calculate the quantity of brickwork in foundation. So what is brickwork in foundation? So you can see from the drawing, from the sectional elevation, the bottom portion is the cement concrete work, and above that cement concrete work there is a brickwork of 60 cm width, which is known as your first footing. And then above that 60 cm width there is a 50 cm width brickwork which is known as your second footing, and above that there is a 40 cm width brickwork which is known as plinth wall. So the brickwork in foundation will include the quantity of brickwork in first footing, second footing and plinth wall, and it will also include the quantity of brickwork in both long wall and short wall. This is also a cubic meter item and it has length, breadth and depth. So first we will go for calculation of brickwork in long wall, then we will calculate the quantity along short wall. So for calculation of quantity along long wall, we will first calculate the quantity of brickwork in first footing along long wall. So here we have to draw the plan of the first footing at the level of first footing. So if the plan is drawn at the level of first footing, then this width of the wall becomes 60 cm on all the sides. Then this one is the center line of the building, which is equal to 5.3 along long wall and 4.3 along short wall as we have previously calculated. So now what will be the length of the first footing along long wall? So this length will be equal to out to out dimension of the wall. So this out to out dimension of the wall can be obtained by adding half of we are having the center to center length, this is equal to 5.3. So when with this 5.3 we will add half of the breadth of the wall on one side and half of the breadth of the wall on another side, we will get total out to out length of the first footing along long wall. So this will be equal to 5.3 plus 0.6 by 2 then plus 0.6 by 2. So this will give us the length. Then again next one is what is the breadth. So breadth you can see from the plan, this is 60 cm, and also you can see from the your first footing, sectional elevation, the width of the first footing is written over here, that is 60 cm. So breadth is equal to 60 cm or 0.6 meter. Then what about your depth? Depth means the thickness of the first footing. So you can see from the sectional elevation it is written that the thickness of the first footing, the 60 cm wall is how much? This is 30 cm. So now let us move to the details of measurement form. So details of measurement form, this one is the item number 3, and the under particulars of item column we will write brickwork in foundation and plinth. Then we will first go for our long wall. So long wall will include quantity of first footing, second footing as well as plinth wall. So first footing, the number of long wall is 2. So number of first footing will also be equal to 2, and the length, that means the center to center length along long wall is 5.3. So with this we will add 0.6 by 2 plus 0.6 by 2. So this will be equal to 5.9. Then along breadth 0.6, depth 0.3. So by multiplying these 3 we will get the total quantity of 2.13 cubic meter. Then next we will move to our second footing. See, the second footing is of width 50 centimeter. So what we will have to do? So if we will consider the second footing, then this is the center line length, which is same as along long wall, it is 5.3. So the center line length is 5.3, and what about the width? This width is 50 centimeter for second footing. So what will be the total length? The total length will be center to center length plus the corresponding width is 0.5, as we are doing the calculation of brickwork of second footing. So we will add half of the width on one side and half of the width on another side. So this will give us the out to out dimension of the brickwork. So this is the length, this one is the width. So width is simple 50 centimeter and depth is, so from the sectional elevation you can see the thickness of the 50 centimeter wall is also 30 centimeter. Okay. Then we will put the corresponding values in our details of measurement form. So see, here you can see second footing number is 2. So length is equal to 5.3 is the center to center length. With that we will add 0.5, the width of the second footing. So which will give us the value of 5.8. Then breadth is equal to 0.5 and depth is equal to 0.3. So by multiplying these 3 we will get quantity of 1.74 cubic meter. Then we will move to third item, that is plinth wall. So for plinth wall, if we will draw the plan at the level of plinth wall, so this thickness will be 40 centimeter on all the side. This one is the center line length, which is same for all the side, for all the item of wall. So in order to get the out to out dimension, this will also be equal to center length plus half of the width on one side plus half of the width on another side. So this will be the length and the breadth will be how much? The width of the plinth wall 40 centimeter. And what about the depth? So depth, you can see the depth or thickness of the plinth wall is about is equal to 60 centimeter as shown in the sectional elevation. So, depth is will be equal to 60 centimeter. So, now we will move to our details of measurement for. So, the next one is plinth wall, number is equal to 2 and length will be equal to 5.3 plus 0.4, that is width of the plinth wall. So, it will be 5.7, then breadth is 0.4, depth is 0.6. So, by multiplying these three we will get the quantity 2.74. So, this is all about the long wall. Then we will move to our short wall. So, for short wall, again we will calculate first the short wall for first footing, second footing, plinth wall. Okay. So, now we will draw the plan at the level of first footing. So, for short wall, again we will draw the plan. At the first footing. So, for first footing this thickness will be 60 centimeter. This one is the center line length. We have completed the long wall part. Okay. Now we will calculate this remaining length along short wall. So, this length will be obtained by, we are having the center to center length as 4.3 meter along the short wall. The center to center length is 4.3 meter. So, from this 4.3 meter, the center to center length, when we will subtract half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on the other side, we will get this left out length. So, length will be equal to center to center length along short wall is 4.3. So, from this, when we will subtract half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, we will get the remaining length of the short wall, because this part is already calculated. So, only this part is left. Only this part is left. So, this length will be equal to center to center length minus width of the work. So, center to center length is 4.3, width of the work is 0.6. So, by subtracting this we will get the length. Then what about the breadth? The breadth is equal to how much? 60 centimeter, as we are doing the first footing work, and thickness will be thickness of the first footing, that is already 30 centimeter. So, now we will move to our details of measurement form in order to put the values. So, this one is over, long wall, first footing, second footing, plinth wall. Now, we will go for short wall. So, see here, short wall, first footing. The number is 2. Short wall, the number of short wall is 2. So, for first footing this will be also equal to 2. Length will be equal to 4.3 is the center to center length minus 0.6, means the width of the first footing, and this will be equal to 3.7. Breadth is width of the first footing, depth is 0.3. Then we will go to our second footing. So, similarly for second footing, the width of the second footing is 50 centimeter. Okay. So, See here, for second footing number is 2, and what about the length? This will be equal to center length 4.3 minus, in case of second footing the width is 50 centimeter. So from both sides the half of the width will be subtracted. So this will be equal to 3.8, and the width is, as we have done in the long wall, the width and depth will remain same. So breadth will be 0.5, depth will be 0.3. So by multiplying these 3 we will get 1.14. Similarly for plinth wall, number is 2, length will be equal to 4.3 minus 0.4, that is the width of the plinth wall. So 3.9, 0.4 and depth is 0.6, as we have done in the long wall. So this total quantity will be equal to quantity of each part along long wall plus quantity of each part, that means first footing, second footing and plinth wall along short wall. So by adding up all these we will get the total quantity of brickwork in foundation as 10.95 cubic meter. So the brickwork in foundation calculation is over. Then we will move to our next item of work, that is brickwork in superstructure. So for brickwork in superstructure, this work is above plinth wall. You can see above plinth wall the brickwork that is done above plinth wall is known as your brickwork in superstructure, and the width of this work is 30 centimeter and height of this brickwork is starting from the plinth wall up to the bottom of the roof slab. So this will be the height of the brickwork in superstructure. Okay, this is also a cubic meter item. So for calculation of length of this work, similarly we will have to draw the plan at the superstructure. So see, this plan is at the window sill level. Generally plan is drawn at the level of window sill. So this can be taken for consideration of brickwork in superstructure. So see, this wall is having thickness of 30 centimeter on all the side along long wall as well as short wall. Center to center length will remain same, as we know, 5.3 and 4.3. So for calculation of long wall, so for brickwork in superstructure, so this along long wall, this length will be equal to out dimension of the brickwork. So this will be equal to, the center to center length is given 5.3 plus, when we will add this half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, we will get our out dimension. So the length will be equal to center to center length plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. This will be the length of the superstructure wall along long wall. So what about the breadth? Breadth will be equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. And what about the depth? So depth or height here is equal to your 3.5 meter. So depth will be equal to 3.5 meter. This is 30 centimeter, this is 3.5 meter. So now we will move to our details of measurement form. So see, it is the next serial number 4. Description of item is brickwork in superstructure. First we will calculate the long wall. The number of long wall is 2. Length is equal to 5.3 is the center to center length plus 0.3, that is the width of the brickwork in superstructure, equal to 5.6, and breadth is 0.3, depth is 3.5. Similarly for short wall, what we will have to do for short wall, from the center line length we will subtract half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side. So let us move to the drawing. So see here, this part is over. We have already calculated this part. Okay. So now this in-to-in dimension is required for calculation of short one. This part is over. See, this part is over. So now for calculation of short wall we require only this much of length. So this much of length can be calculated by subtracting, this one is the center to center length. So center to center length is 4.3. So when we will subtract half of the breadth, the total breadth is 30 centimeter. When we will subtract half of the breadth on one side and half of the breadth on another side, we will get the in-to-in dimension. The length will be equal to 4.3 minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.3 by 2. So this will be the length of the short wall. Then breadth will remaining same as per your long wall, that is 0.3 meter, and depth will be equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, clear? So now we will move to our details of measurement form in order to put the dimensions. So see here, short wall, the length is 4.3 minus 0.3 equal to 4. So 4, number is 2, breadth is 0.3 and depth is 3.5. So by multiplying this we will get this much, and the total quantity of brickwork in superstructure will be calculated by taking into consideration both long wall and short wall, which will be equal to 20.16 cubic meter. So this is all about for today's class. In the next class we will do the estimation of another building. Thank you.